Hi kids! Today we're learning about trains. Big, small, old, and super fast engines that move on tracks.
Steam locomotive.
Yay!
A steam locomotive runs on steam and makes loud choo-choo sounds. Would you like to ride one through the countryside?
Passenger train.
Yay!
A passenger train carries people between towns and cities. Have you ever taken a trip on one?
Freight train.
Yay!
A freight train carries coal, wood, and containers. What would you load on its long wagons?
Bullet train.
Yay!
A bullet train is super fast, like a rocket on tracks. Would you like to zoom across the country?
Metro train.
Yay!
A metro train runs under or above ground in big cities. Have you seen one with many doors?
Subway train.
Yay!
A subway train travels deep in tunnels under the city. Would you like to ride underground?
Tram.
Yay!
A tram moves on tracks through busy city streets. Would you hop on one for a short trip?
Monorail.
Yay!
A monorail runs on just one rail high in the air. Would you like to see the city from above?
Toy train.
Yay!
A toy train is small and colorful in parks or hills. Would you like to ride a tiny train?
Double-decker train.
Yay!
This train has 2 floors with lots of seats. Would you sit on the top floor to look outside?
Commuter train.
Yay!
A commuter train carries workers and students daily. Would you ride it to school or work?
Intercity train.
Yay!
An intercity train connects big cities together. Would you take it on a holiday trip?
Sleeper train.
Yay!
A sleeper train has cozy beds for night travel. Would you like to sleep on a moving train?
Luxury train.
Yay!
A luxury train is like a rolling hotel. Would you like to travel like a king or queen?
Heritage train.
Yay!
A heritage train is an old train kept for tourists. Would you like to ride history on rails?
Tourist train.
Yay!
A tourist train shows beautiful places. Would you like to see mountains or beaches by train?
Yay!
Great job, little travelers! Today you learned about 16 different trains. Trains take us on exciting journeys across cities, mountains, and even under the sea. Keep learning and keep exploring.